Hi, I'm Reuben McRae, lead residential installer at Integrity Blinds and Shutters. When it comes to cleaning your window treatments, it's important to keep in mind the type of product you have, as well as the material it's made of. Here are some general tips for cleaning some of the most popular types of window treatments. For blinds and shutters, a simple dusting with a clean, dry cloth or a duster should do the trick. Avoid dusting sprays as they can damage the finish on the product. Tilt the product open so you can reach the entire surface of each slat or louver. Start at the top and work your way down, moving from one side of your window treatment to the other. If there's still dirt or smudge marks after dusting, you can dampen a clean cloth and wipe gently, being careful not to get the strings wet, as this can cause discoloration. Avoid saturating the product, especially if it's made of real wood. Shades come in a wide range of styles and materials, but in general, you can start by lightly dusting with a dry, clean cloth or duster. If you need a stronger option to remove dust or dirt, try using a low suction vacuum. Unless the product has a sheer fabric, you can use a brush attachment. Apply only light pressure to avoid pulling the material. For shades with openings on the sides, like honeycombs, banded shades, or specialty products by Hunter Douglas, you may notice dust and bugs can get trapped inside. If this happens, try using a can of compressed air, an air duster like this one, or even a hair dryer on a cool setting to blow the objects out the other side. As a general rule, never immerse your window treatments in water or spray with cleaning solutions. You can, however, spot clean if needed. Dampen a cloth or sponge with lukewarm water. If necessary, you can add mild detergent. Test on a small, inconspicuous area of the shade first. Then, blot gently. Avoid scrubbing, as this can crease or damage the material. Lastly, keep the product down until it's fully dried. If your shades are made of natural fibers, like this woven wood, never apply water when cleaning, as this can cause warping or discoloration. Instead, use dry methods like dusting or vacuuming. If you have any questions or concerns about cleaning your specific products, we encourage you to reach out to your window treatment provider for assistance. For more tips on how to care for your window treatments, check out the other videos on our channel, or visit our website at integrityshutters.com.